Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my baby. To you. Ashley Pie. Ashley Pie. She's my Ashley Pie. She's my Ashley Pie. Well, I'm going to tell you about my children. They're quite clever. How are you enjoying that tea, Carl?
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
You can't reach it though.
That's alright, if there's not anything in there. I ate it. I'm real. I ate it all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? You forgive me?
What's in here?
Well, there was tea, but I drank it all.
Oh.
Sorry.
You're the worst friend ever.
Well, you know, you didn't have to come to this tea party. Carl. Carl. Carl! Carl! Are you okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ash and Kelly. Happy birthday to you.
Now what?
I don't know.